Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the Face ID verification for Apple Pay and Wallet on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open Settings, then swipe down a little bit, go to the Face ID and passcode. Once you're here, you need to type your passcode, so do it, and then you have these options, use Face ID for. So in this section, you just want to click on the button, if it's gray, to enable Wallet and Apple Pay. So once you click on this one, the Face ID verification is going to use when you're going to pay with your iPhone or just use Apple Pay in the internet. This is going to ask your Face ID to just make sure that you are using this phone. So you're not longer going to be asked for the password of your Apple ID, just Face ID is going to be enough. So now this feature is on and now it is off. So turning it off, you're not going to enable certain cards and passes in Wallet that require Face ID to use. So just click continue if you want to disable it. So again, how to get to the settings. So open Settings, swipe down, go to the Face ID and passcode, type your passcode, and here you are. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.